save him.
Mercy on my heart, would you please have mercy? Mercy on my heart. Consuming all the air inside my lungs, ripping all the skin from off my bones. I'm prepared to sacrifice my life, I would gladly do it twice.